Do-it-yourself project using Arduino to build a real-time digital clock. In this interesting video, you get to learn how to build your own digital clock using Arduino and a DS1307 module. So, let's get started quickly. Like always, it's safe to take a few precautions. If you are less than 16, do it under adult supervision. You need a few components for the project. You can source them from your local robotics store or Radio Shack. Let's have an overview of the components first. Arduino Uno. 16x2 LCD display. DS1307 RTC module. Breadboard. 10K variable resistor. Jumper wires. 9 volts battery and connector. This is how the system will work. Now, let's move ahead to the construction part. Let's connect the breadboard to the 5 volts pin and ground of Arduino with jumper wires. This is the DS1307 Real Time Clock module. Connect SDA of module to pin A4 and SCL of module to pin A5. Connect VCC to 5 volts supply and ground pin to negative terminal. Let's connect the LCD to the Arduino. PIN1 to ground. PIN2 to positive supply. PIN3 to middle pin of variable resistor. Connect pin 1 of VR to positive and pin 3 of VR to ground. RS pin to PIN12. E pin to PIN11. D4 to PIN5. D5 to PIN4. D6 to PIN3. D7 to PIN2. Pin 16 to a 1K resistor connected to ground. You need to check the connections carefully and upload the code to the Arduino. Power the Arduino with a 9 volts battery and let's get started. We are sure that you enjoyed building your digital clock. Its power consumption is very low and the battery of the module will keep the clock running correctly for at least a year.